All right, folks, we are going to take a look at the popular stocks which we have been following. That is going to be Apple, Amazon, Tesla, and also Microsoft. Okay, so we are looking at the daily chart of Apple. Before we proceed, this video is for educational purposes only and it is not a financial advice. Okay, so as we had mentioned in our previous video, which we did last week, Apple stock seems to be moving in this ABCD um, pattern, and we had anticipated and forecasted a correction, which we did get. However, it was a fairly shallow correction, and the price didn't even reach the 38.2% retracement level, which is good, which means the stock is stronger. So what we are looking at as our next level is 145 to $150 per share as the next possible target. Let's take a look at Amazon. Okay, so the Amazon stock, we had forecasted a correction, a little bit of a correction or consolidation rather, after reaching these 96.68 level, which is the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. This stock also seems to be operating in this ABCD fashion, and we have the next resistance zone between 106 and 112 level, and that's what we are watching. Interesting thing to know is the stock did have a strong move down because of the overall market being down earlier in the day, and then the market bounced, and the stock had a strong bounce from this support level, which came at the 38.2% retracement level as well, as we had forecasted. You can actually go and look our videos. Okay, so the other one is Tesla. So the earnings are out today. Now this is a very interesting stock. If you watch our older videos, you'll see we had been talking about 105 level where the stock found a good support, and the specific pattern we were looking at. You will find more information about that. We have been actually mentioning that there is a bearish symmetry, and the bearish symmetry is that, look, it's not this one, it is this one. um, all these rallies in this leg down have been of this magnitude, and this brought us to around 136 138 level, which was also the 38.2% retracement. It Over the last 2 days, it seems to have broken that bearish symmetry, which is a good sign. However, we still have some upside resistance level, the main one coming around 150, which is this 150 to possibly around 160 is kind of the resistance zone which we are watching. It is possible that the stock actually, over the next few trading days, get into this zone, and then we'll see how we'll have to watch the price action. In short term, this is what we're looking at, about possibly around 145 to 150 level. Okay, then the Microsoft. Okay, so this is a very interesting one. I believe the earnings were out yesterday, and the stock did react negatively to whatever was released in terms of the earnings. Perhaps it was something to do with the forward guidance, which was apparently weak. But here we just look at the technicals. So, if you look at our analysis, what we have been actually forecasting is that it appears the price is moving in this ABCD, highlighted with these red lines here. So, ABCD formation. The main reason is that because it found the support at 78.6% retracement level of this. Then it had a bit of a corrective move for 2 days. Then it also found support and formed a what we would like to call a possible double bottom. We'll just type this here, and here we go. So this is a double bottom, and longer based on this longer ABCD, what we are looking at is perhaps the stock can rise up to around 163 to perhaps 167. Shorter term, I also see another ABCD, which we can also use as a projection, and quite possibly it will take us to around 255. So The other thing is that we have this upper channel coming here, and that could also be a possible resistance level. So when it gets to around $250 area, we might have some resistance coming in for the stock. And also we have the negatively sloping 200-day moving average. So all of these might just combine here if the price gets there in the next few days. But it looks like the price is moving in this ABCD, and we could go as high as 263 to 267 if these resistance are taken out in this stock. So this is what we are watching in these stocks. I hope you like our videos. If you do, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. Good luck in trading.